Let's have some fun and make our Color My Views app a little more playful by adding some of the coloring implied by the name of the app. We are going to make all the boxes white to start off and add a click handler that will change the box color and the background color when the user taps the screen. In styles.xml, let's change the background to white so that all boxes seem blank. Next, we need to create a click handler that changes the color of a box when it is clicked. Because this lesson is about layouts, I'm going to drop the code into the main activity and then quickly walk you through it. In onCreate, call a function called setListeners. We implement setListeners. Because we set the same click listener on each view, we use a list of views, and then set the listener for each view. Here is the code for the make colored click listener. Every view has a resource ID. That's the ID we set earlier. We switch on the resource ID of the views and pick a color depending on what the source ID is. This is a common pattern, to use one click handler when the type of action is the same. We are getting the colors from two different sources. We are using colors defined in a color class for box 1 and box 2. We are using colors provided by the Android system for the boxes 3, 4, and 5. And otherwise, which would be if the user taps the background, we set the color to light gray, which reveals the outlines of the other boxes to click as a hint. To make that work, we need to add an ID to the constraint layout. And in the main activity, we add the constraint layout to the list of views. When we run the app, it shows up with a blank screen, and tapping reveals the boxes and the background. Go play with boxes on your own, and then we'll create labeled, aligned text and a row of buttons at the bottom.